Hello, patrons. I am the coach, Winneth Dube Oly. Welcome to Patron, our members only platform. I have coached for more than 20 years as a fitness trainer. Some call it a coach or personal trainer, but I am the coach now. Okay, I'm a fitness nerd. I've spent so much time working one on one with lots of folks of all age groups around the world in different places where I've lived in the world. Time changes, but I've always known all along that I wanted to impact more people. I am building this community to focus on better health for all folks around the world. Basically, that's my aim now to move away from, because I've been working out of gyms, I've worked out of studios, I've also made my own fitness studio, but now I need to take it out there so that people have access to me and have access more people out there. So it's for folks, those that want to know how to relate with food and manage their proper functionality. This is really coaching hands-on. You must know it. It's not a follow me, just follow what I do or do what I do, and then you will make it. I want you to know it. I'm not an influencer. I don't influence. Yes, it's part, but I coach. I prefer coaching than to make people follow me and just do what I do, which is why I am on this. And Patron is the perfect platform that I've figured out that I can be able to do all these things. So where do you guys coming in is because you're supporters for this. You need to know what's in it for you and what's in it for me. So this is, we work together. Your pledges, your support will enable me to actually be able to maintain this platform where I will actually also have fun making it, providing information to you at all levels. And also you guys, you will also enjoy this platform because I'm taking all the noise away and making it a platform where you can really focus on what you do and you don't have to question the type of information that you're actually getting, and you implemented as such. So here is my pledge, guys. I will listen to what types of content you want to see, and also we will have conversation about that. So if you're on the live stream, I will have some invitation. We will pick members of the platform that will actually participate with its podcast, with its live streams, with its, and I know there's many of you, but we will try as much as possible to actually find a working process for getting people on board, depending on what type of the platform that we actually using, which is why your support is really appreciated and needed, so that I'll be able to provide those tools to you guys. I will do my very best to constantly improve the quality of the content, and also as I will have as much fun as I say doing it, and I'll make sure that you have fun too doing that, because it's more practical. Fitness mustn't be, exercising mustn't be painful. Eating mustn't be a scary monster that we're all afraid of food, which means those are the things that we need to do. You will be able to learn about the right way to relate with food and also have knowledge about how to get enough movement, which is exercise, no matter where you are in your fitness journey. So thank you guys for supporting this endeavor, which means we will enjoy. As I say, these are my pledges, guys. This is what I will do, and also which means you will do your part. So we are not just doing the follow me or leader, but we are going to take a different approach of saying, I want it to know I am a fitness nerd, and you own it because you are a fitness nerd, and we'll work together and to achieve that goal. So guys, once again, thank you for the support. Check out our YouTube channels, check out our Facebook. If you're not doing those, subscribe so that you get notices whenever I post new content or whenever I am online and actually live streaming, then you'll be able to. But if you can't catch those because of time difference, don't worry. You can actually find replays that you can actually access. But make sure you are signed up or you are a member, which means you are a supporter, I know. Oh, you are a community member, I know. So you join those two tiers depending on how much. If you don't, you can just pledge whatever that you have, and you'll be able to participate. And participation and interaction will actually improve the way we're doing it. Until then, guys, which means I'll keep seeing you on those platforms. You have an awesome, awesome time wherever you are, and stay healthy.